Hey, it's Monday and I'm walking my dog. Oh my god, it's like blizzarding outside. I don't know if you can even see me. Gracie! Okay, so I was supposed to answer a couple questions. I don't really remember them. I know like one of them was, when do you want to lose your V card? And I would definitely have to say prom night. It's kind of everyone's dream. Just 12 o'clock after prom night. I don't know. It's kind of my dream. I don't know why I'm just filming random shots of the dog running around. Oh, there's the park. Gracie, come on. Okay, I was just talking to myself and someone was just staring at me. And we have a new Tuesday. Emma's no longer Tuesday, nor is because of some drama that happened. I don't know if I should say it on the internet. Okay, there you are, dog. I don't know. It's too much to talk about. I'll just say that much. Okay, this is a bad idea. It's really cold outside. I'm wearing like figure skaters gloves. Okay, I forgot what Kara's question was. Okay, dog, stop barking. And I don't have my phone. Dog, stop barking! My dog started running away, so I put her on a leash. Okay, Emma was entered the best and worst of 2008. And I don't really know. True Last May was a pretty bad year. Nothing really happened. Camp was pretty fun. I don't know what the worst would be. Sorry if you can't hear me. I don't know if you could hear me. I'm not really testing if you can see me either. It's kind of dark. Okay, we have finals today. I haven't really been studying at all. And normally we'd get a snow day tomorrow, but since it's finals, we don't, which sucks. Yeah, that really sucks. Oh my god, my legs hurt so bad right now. Come on, dog. And I forgot to ask a question. And I don't know what I should ask. How about what's your favorite season and why? Yeah, for that one, I think I'd have to say like winter. But I don't know why, like, yeah, no. Probably not winter, but maybe summer because we don't have school in the winter. But like, once we're out of school and we have jobs and stuff, my favorite season will be winter. But right now it's summer because we don't have school. So my question this week is, what's your favorite season and why? Okay, how am I supposed to get over this mountain?